Hi everybody and welcome to English Grade 4. Today's lesson will be about animal classes and I hope that you will enjoy it. Our learning objectives for today's lesson are to interpret main ideas and details in a written and an oral text about animals. Identify the meanings of words related to the theme of animals and use them in context. Identify nouns and use them in sentences. Use while and whereas to demonstrate contrast. And to compose a descriptive paragraph. Place the correct name next to the correct picture. And the answer is deer, giraffe, lion, tiger, bear and elephant. Place the correct name next to the correct picture. And the answer is dolphin, gorilla, zebra, rhinoceros, blue whale, and wolf. Place the correct name next to the correct picture. And the answer is cat, cow, goat, sheep, dog, donkey, rabbit and horse. Place the correct name next to the correct picture. And the answer is hen, crow, duck, eagle, owl, parrot, pigeon and rooster. Place the correct name next to the correct picture. Look at the answer. Focus on reading. By the end of these activities, you will be able to identify and interpret main ideas and details in a written text. Activity 1. Before reading the text, indicate whether each of following statements is true or false. Mammals lay eggs. False or true? Look at the answer. Mammals, birds, and reptiles. Animals are not the same. They look different, and that's because they belong to different classes or groups. Some of them are mammals while others may belong to the group of birds or reptiles. Mammals. Think of lions, horses, cats, or even whales. Do they belong to the same class of animals? They actually do. These are called mammals. Mammals have several features that make them different from other animal groups. Most mammals give birth to young babies. They do not lay eggs like birds. They also have mammary glands which allow females to produce milk and feed their young. Their skin is usually covered with fur or hair. Wild animals like elephants, zebras, gorillas, tigers, and bears are mammals. Other mammals live in the ocean. They are known as aquatic mammals. Examples of aquatic mammals are whales, seals, and dolphins. Some domestic animals that are raised at home, such as cats, dogs, and rabbits are mammals. Some farm animals, such as cows, horses, and sheep are also mammals. Birds. Now think of parrots, ducks, pigeons, and hens. These are birds. Birds are animals that can fly. A bird has a beak, wings, a feathered tail, and 2 feet with claws. The feathers covering their bodies help birds stay warm, and those covering their wings and tails allow them to fly. Why do birds have claws? The claws on the bird's feet help them walk, climb, hold food, perch, or even swim sometimes. Birds may also use claws to protect themselves from predators. How do birds give birth to other baby birds? Birds lay eggs. When eggs hatch, baby birds are born. Some birds eat seeds, fruits, or insects. Reptiles. What are reptiles? Reptiles have their skin covered with hard, dry scales. They lay eggs. Most reptiles have 4 short legs and a tail. Turtles are reptiles. A turtle has a big hard shell. This shell protects it from predators. Maybe this can explain why a turtle may live more than 100 years. Snakes are legless reptiles. They have no legs. Despite that, they can move very fast. Some snakes can be poisonous. Turtles and snakes are not the only types of reptiles. Crocodiles and alligators are also reptiles. In fact, the largest reptile is the saltwater crocodile. It can weigh 1,000 kilograms and can be 6 meters long. Activity 2. After reading the text, indicate whether each of following statements is true or false. Mammals lay eggs. False or true? Look at the answer. Activity 3. Complete the sentences by choosing the correct answer. Female mammals have mammary glands that help them to remain warm, lay eggs and give birth to young babies. Feed their babies by producing milk. Stand up straight on 4 legs. Look at the answer. Activity 4. Place the correct name next to the correct picture. Look at the answer. Focus on vocabulary. By the end of these activities, you will be able to identify the meaning of new words and use them in context. Activity 1. Read the following sentences. Choose the meaning of the words in bold. Mammals have several features that make them different from other animal groups. Legs. Characteristics. Similarities. Look at the answer. Mammals are vertebrate animals, which means they possess a backbone or a spiral column. Do not have. Constitute. Have. Look at the answer. Other mammals live in the ocean. They are as aquatic or marine mammals. Living or found in the air. Living or found in water. Living or found in deserts. Look at the answer. The claws on the bird's feet help them walk, climb, hold food, perch, or even swim sometimes. Rest. Jump. Fly. Look at the answer. A turtle has a big hard shell which protects it from becoming the looch of predators. Animals that hunt, kill, and eat other animals. People who raise animals. Small insects. Look at the answer. Place the words in the correct boxes. Look at the answer. Thanks for listening and goodbye.